Darling, this is a traditional medicines for coughing and flu. So if you can follow me, you just follow what I'm doing. Like you put the garlics, add garlic and gingers, and then you put 2 spoons of salt, and then make it boil within 5 minutes boiling, or 3 minutes boiling is enough. After that, later I show you how to do this. Okay, here I'm doing, I don't want use blanket inside. So if you don't have like table small, you just do by blanket, but it's really hard because it's really hot and you still not understand what I'm doing. See, this is, what is this name, table, and I put all around blanket, and then I put the rice cooker there inside and make it the smoke. You smoke, the smoke is very important. So after that you round with the towel, because you cannot be heat your skin on this very hot rice cooker. What we call this one, a pots bowl or what. So you're going to put this one inside that, and then I go inside. I will be naked, and I will open this one slowly. I open the smoke, and then I have to put my face there. I have to go grab the smoke, and my neck, all my body need to have a smoke, so that I feel sweat. All the germs, bacteria will die. So I will not open it because it's very important. I have to open it when I get inside. Okay, so I will put it there. Check it out there, So now I will go inside. Maybe I will take for 15 minutes steam inside. Okay.